How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my home in Casa Su Casa. I have two product reviews that I want to share for you guys. This is my honest opinion on the use of the product and the convenience of it that I want to share with you guys. And they were in clearance, one regular price, but they could find them at your local Walmart. I sit here and tell you this is a great product if it's not. Stand 100% behind them. So if you want honest, true opinions when it comes to a product, then yeah, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bar, and be part of the family. If not, that's okay too. Thank you for stopping by and viewing the channel. I went to Walmart and picked up this Artic sewn lunchbox, and I picked two of those because I have two kiddos, 16 and 17. Now they too grown to have lunchbox. That's what they told me in the beginning of the year. But when they found themselves that they was going from point A to point B, and it took them 7 minutes to get to point B, another 7 minutes to get off that line, and then like another 5 to find somewhere to sit and eat. By the time they did, they ran out of time, or they didn't like the meal, or they were eating and they were rushing because they were worrying about that they needed to go from point B to point A again, and it was going to take them another 7 minutes. They were going to be late. So they came out to me and was like, "Mom, I need some lunchbox and I need a water bottle, make that life easy for me." So I found that these, I picked up two. Let me show you the other one right here. But the other one I haven't prepped because I want to show you how I prepped it. But this one is black and gray, and so is the other one. Again, is the brand Artic Sewn. And this one, it says it's antimicrobial product protection. Now it has new sink technology that inhibits the uncontrolled growth of bacteria in the lining that causes stain, odor, and product degradation. Now, I also like that it says that it's ultra safe, that it also says that this product makes CPSC safety requirements, and that it's also PVC, and it's also FDA compliant. So being though that it's FDA compliant can tell you something about the product, right? It has a high density thermal insulation. It is ultra safe, easy cleaning, and it's leak proof in the bottom of the compartment, and it's padded handle. So let me just talk to you about the next product. The next product is this water bottle. This one is black and pink. The other one that I got a blue and black for my son. Now this is from the brand TAL right here, and it's lightweight and shatterproof, which I like because you want a water bottle that if it falls, it's not gonna break, and you have to buy another one. You want them to last a little longer than normal. I believe the style of this bottle is called Ranger Tritan. Now it's small lid for drinking. It has easy carry loop, texture soft grip. It has a large opening for easy cleanup and adding ice. And it has measurement for tracking your water intake. Now, I like that about this product. Again, this is Artic Sewn and this is TAL products. So let me just show you the water bottle to begin with. Now, this is the handle that we're talking about. Something you can hold right here, or you can clip it to the book bag, however you like. And it's durable. It's really hard. It's a very hard plastic. Now, you cannot see the this one. They just used it a couple of times, and I forgot to take this off. But this one has a 4 ounce and a 12 ounce, which is cool because you can fill it to 4 ounces or 12 ounces, whatever you want to drink. Now, another thing, this is the grip right here. Now, I don't know if you guys ever bought a bottle of water and you went to close it, and there it goes. You can't, you can't put it tight because your hand keeps slipping, or you can't open it because it's too tight and your hand keeps slipping. So this is the grip right here, which is cool. Now, what I like about this water bottle is that when you open it, not only you put the handle away, but when you open it, you have that wide mouth right here that you can drink from. But when you close it, it clicks. But you can also screw it down to make it more tighter and secure the liquid. So I like that. So I want to show you the back. Again, black and gray. You open it. 2 compartments, clear compartment, which I like. And, you can't beat that. And sometimes you get compartments that are 2 and you can see what you put in the top. So I just want to show you how I fill it up for my kids, right? So this is how it is. So this is my son, the blue one. Blue and white. Blue and white. I don't even know my colors. Blue and black. And you can put a handle away. This is just 2 containers that I got from Walmart. Also, and this is the main stack collection. It brought 2 in a pack for 50 cents. It was in clearance. You can't beat that. And you can stick up a spoon and a fork in here. 2 little bags of chips, a cracker, and I'm pretty sure you could put a 3rd bag up there. So that's how it looks in the inside. So guys, great product. And that said, guys, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your love and support. And like always, I see you in my next video. Bye-bye.